Okay, so this is Dustin with Rubina. I just thought I'd do a little haul video today just to kind of show you some different things that I've got and um, talk about some ideas that I have going on in my head for new soaps and whatnot. Anyway, so I got a big order from Nature's Garden. I say big, it's big to me because, my broke ass. Anyway, so the first one, which is going to be for my soap that I'm going to call Gaia's Grace, is Aroma Mood Therapy. Backwards, I know. Mood Enhance, anyway. And some of it leaked out. It's a very earthy scent. I mean, it's very, I don't know. I would sit in the bathtub with this all night. And then I got some men's fragrances, so, because I'm making a god and goddess line, fun stuff. Let's see. Guess I should have taken these all out before I did my video. Okay, next thing we have is Bay Rum, which my mother and grandmother didn't really like the smell of it. Okay, anyway, she's taking the dogs out, so. But, no, I like this scent. It's I really can't put my finger on it, but it smells really good. So, I didn't have very many men's or manly scents, so I figured I would get some. And God, I got bags under my eyes like crazy. Anyway, next is cinnamon sticks, which is for, I'm going to call it Hecate's Flame, I guess. So it might change, but as of right now, it's Hecate's Flame. This smells really good, but it doesn't smell just like cinnamon sticks. It actually has like a cinnamon tea smell to it, which I really love. So it's not like that, bam, here's some cinnamon smell. It's, it smells like cinnamon tea, literally. It's like you got the cinnamon up front, but then you got the back notes of what smells like a tea fragrance. So next thing is another manly scent, which is, actually it's not really manly, but it's, I would say unisex. It's Green Irish Tweed, which is going to be for the green man. And it's a clean smell with, I don't know, it's got green in the back note. To me it's kind of close to Irish Spring, but and here come the dogs. The next one is called Deadly Weapon. This is actually a man scent. It literally has a man on the thing. So I think, and it smells like a really good cologne. I don't know. I'm thinking that I don't know. I don't know which one that one's going to be for yet, so maybe I should just leave it as a surprise. And then pomegranate, which pomegranate I'm going to use as Persephone. I'm going to call it Persephone's Promise. It's very I don't know. It smells like a sugared pomegranate to me. I mean, it by no means doesn't smell bad, so it's just different. I like it though, so. And then I got, has nothing to do with with those lines, but brown sugar and fig, which, and here's all the dogs again. I don't know if any of you all have ever, don't fight. You're going to be on TV. It's not aimed that direction, so don't worry. My mother's walking by thinking the camera's aimed that way. But yeah, this is going to be part of my fall line, so, which I really got to get my ass in motion and start doing. The other thing that I had, there's this huge ass fly behind me. Or it's a spider. Anyway. Bottles. Lots of bottles. This is from Elements Bath and Body. Yeah, it's 100 bottles and 100 sprayers to make body sprays with. I actually got a different kind of body spray this time. It's not the moisturizing one, which I will get that again. It's just kind of pricey. It'd be nice. It's just kind of pricey. It's like 20 something dollars, but anyway, I'll get some more of that eventually. But this other one is a body mist and linen spray. So you can spray it on your body, you can spray it on your furniture, whatever, kind of like a room spray, you know. The other thing that I got was, because I'm a lazy ass, is these boxes for my soaps. I think I'm going to go to this so that they look a little bit more professional, I guess. I don't know. And I'll even put one in here so you can see what it's going to look like. These are they're brown boxes, or craft boxes as they call them. I think they should just call them brown boxes, but that's my thought. But it has a hole in the front where you can, you know, so you can see the soap. So you can see the soap here. I'm not going to put them in the packages probably. I think I'm just going to leave them in there. Yeah, because you can't really smell it. I mean, you kind of smell it, but... and then it has a space for my label here, and I think it would just look better. So if you have ideas, that's always welcome. So, but yeah, so this is my little haul. I figured I would do since my making video was kind of quiet and not talking much, so, or having my face on it or anything else. Anyway, any questions, comments, please let me know. I will link my Etsy shop, which is Verbena Handmaids, no space, .etsy.com. Subscribe to my channel. That will be wonderful. You can see all my new ideas and fun stuff that I have planned. for the near future. And making videos of making soaps. So now I have to figure out how these masters of Jenga got this in this box and get it put back in there. So anyway, I hope you all have a good weekend, because I'm about to upload this on Saturday. So have a good weekend, and don't work too hard if you're working, and relax if you're off. I actually have to work tomorrow, so out in the heat, 99 degrees here. So we're gonna see if I melt. Anyways, please let me know if you have any questions, comments, whatever. Thanks, bye.